See these incredible examples, which are just insane. Look how perfectly it writes text on a whiteboard, adds sticky notes, and doesn't mess up a single word. If you listen to what this model can really do, you'll be shocked. This is pursuing AI, and you're watching the research report. This is Emu 3.5, and researchers are calling it a multimodal world model. Basically, it's a unified AI system. In simple words, it can generate images, render text directly on them, guide you step by step with visuals, generate videos, edit images, and even let you navigate the world across space and time. Let's start with some examples that truly show what this model is capable of. If you ask it how to sculpt a Mars Explorer figure using clay, it will explain every step visually. Step 1. Gathering materials, clay, colors, and a painting brush, perfectly matching your prompt. Step 2. Shaping the figure, then drawing, painting, and finally, Step 7. A fully completed sculpture that looks incredibly realistic. Now let's move to some image editing examples. You upload an image and tell it to change the material into glass, and it transforms it with pure consistency. Upload a model's photo and a separate outfit, it fits the outfit flawlessly. It can even create stylized images, render text perfectly on surfaces, write in multiple languages, and generate full comic-style scenes. But here's the game-changing part, the feature called Navigate Worlds across space and time. You upload an image, say a modern living room, and give an instruction like, explore this space in first-person view where sunlight filters through sheer curtains onto a beige sofa and wooden coffee table, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. And what happens next feels unreal. The model builds that entire world visually, exactly as you described it. It's like stepping inside your imagination. If you're planning to try Emu 3.5, here's everything you should know before downloading. Emu 3.5 is a massive 34 billion parameter multimodal world model capable of generating images, editing visuals, and even guiding you through space and time scenes. Because of its size, you'll need serious hardware to run it locally. The model weighs around 68 gigabytes in full precision and officially recommends using at least 2 GPUs for smooth performance. For example, 2 NVIDIA A100 40GB cards can handle 1024 by 1024 image generation without issues. If you have a single A100 80GB, that's enough for most image and video tasks. There's also a quantized version available, which brings VRAM requirements down to about 24GB per GPU when using FP8 or 4-bit modes, perfect for users with RTX 4090 class hardware. To set it up, you'll need Python 3.10 or higher, PyTorch with CUDA, and the Flash Attention library. The easiest environment is Linux with CUDA 12, though you can also use WSL2 or Docker with NVIDIA Toolkit. Storage-wise, expect to reserve at least 70 gigabytes for the model weights. So yes, it's heavy, but if you want true multimodal generation power, Emu 3.5 is worth every gigabyte. All official links and setup instructions are in the description below.